The B-52 story begins right after the Second World War, when the United States Air Force wanted a bomber that could hit deep inside enemy territory without relying on forward bases. The first designs were straight-wing, propeller-driven aircraft, which gradually evolved into the B-52, swept wings, and 8 jet engines. In 1952, the B-52 flew for the first time. Just 3 years later, the first aircraft were handed over to Strategic Air Command. During the Cold War, the B-52 was America's long rifle. It sat on nuclear alert, patrolling over the Arctic skies, ready to dash toward strategic targets in the Soviet Union at a moment's notice. A large airframe, huge payload, and very long range made it ideal for carrying heavy nuclear gravity bombs and later long-range nuclear cruise missiles. But the B-52 was not just a deterrent symbol. It quickly went into real wars. Over Vietnam, B-52 carpet bombing left a terrifying mark both on the battlefield and in people's minds. Dozens of tons of bombs dropped from high altitude erased entire areas in a single strike. Later, in the Gulf War, the B-52 returned in a different role. It no longer just dumped unguided bombs. It began to use precision-guided weapons tied into a new targeting network, proving that an aircraft from the 1950s could adapt to modern warfare. In terms of design, the B-52 looks simple, but hides some very smart engineering decisions. The long, slender, swept wings use a so-called flexible wing structure that allows the tips to bend upwards more than 9 meters under load. That reduces stress and makes the aircraft ride smoother in turbulence. 8 engines are hung in pairs under the wings. Engineers like to joke that it is basically 4 fighters hanging under each wing. They provide thrust and also act as flow control elements that help the wings stay stable at many angles of attack. Not elegant maybe, but brutally effective.